1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Errors detected. Errors detected. 256 errors found.
I've never seen so many errors.
We having a party here?
Come on, you're almost there.
There's too many. I'm not gonna make it.
Your code is trash.
I can't.
We'll let Warp do it.
Is it working?
Oh, it's working all right.
10 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. Tasks complete. Congratulations.
What do we do now? Oh, wow, I didn't realize it was such a big deal.
Alert. New project incoming. Vibe code detected. Prototype unstable. The ayahuasca must have been really good this time. Good luck.
Well, looks like we've got another project.